This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini Pro. You can easily access Gemini Pro through Google AI Studio, which is a web-based tool designed for developers. The great news is that there's no student ID or special affiliation needed to get started. Anyone can sign up and begin experimenting with the powerful capabilities of Gemini Pro. It's a straightforward process to integrate this advanced model into your projects. To begin, simply navigate to the Google AI Studio website using your preferred web browser. Once there, you'll need to sign in with your existing Google account. If you don't have one, it's quick and easy to create a new account. After signing in, you'll be prompted to review and accept the terms of service. This step is crucial to ensure you understand the usage guidelines for the platform and its powerful AI models. With your account set up, the next step is to generate an API key within Google AI Studio. This key is essential as it authenticates your requests to the Gemini Pro model. Look for the option to get API key or create API key in the interface. Once generated, it's vital to store this key securely and never share it publicly. This key acts as your unique identifier for accessing the powerful AI services. Now that you have your API key, you can start integrating Gemini Pro into your applications and projects. The Google AI Studio provides documentation and examples to help you get started quickly. You can experiment with different prompts, fine-tune models, and explore the vast capabilities of Gemini Pro. It's an exciting opportunity to build innovative AI-powered solutions without any specific academic requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.